Alright guys, let me show you how to reset the oil light on a BMW F30. So it's pretty simple. I just did an oil change, started the car up, let the oil settle, tested the oil, and we are now good. So we'll power the car off, let go of the brakes, and then push the power button again. So everything's turned off. Then you just push the start button again without the brakes again. Then you'll give it a few seconds. It's got to clear out all the errors, all the stuff. Give it a few seconds. You can actually hit this button just to kind of confirm so everything's good. All you do is hold this button and you wait. So I'm holding it now. There it is right there. So engine oil reset possible. I just changed my oil. So you push and hold it. Then you let go. It says reset. Push and hold it again. And you can let go now. It's resetting. And the reset's successful. And now the oil change will remind you at the next interval. So that's all. And then just to exit out of the menu, you just turn the car back off. And you're done. Thanks for watching.